So I have read about, you said that you've been fighting for civil rights. You were there in the March to Washington. Can you point to any legislation in the past 10 years that you've supported that have benefited the African American community and communities of color in this country?
Sure. Many.
Can you name a couple?
Well, yeah. We built in the Affordable Care Act, which is providing health insurance to many millions of Americans. We got a provision in there, a $12 billion provision, which expanded community health centers all over America, hundreds of new community health centers, most of them, or many of them, in low-income and minority communities. That means that millions of people who otherwise would not have been able to access health care are now getting health care, dental care, mental health counseling, and low-cost prescription drugs. That's pretty good. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to transform the economics in America so that we create millions of decent-paying jobs. We're going to make public colleges and universities tuition free. We're going to raise the minimum wage to a living wage. We're going to transform our trade policy so corporate America invests in this country and not low-income countries around the world. That's some of what we're going to do.
Is when you look at a town like Ferguson and everyone focused on police brutality, do you know what African American youth unemployment in that town is? It's somewhere around 50%. And we're going to continue to have problems in this country if millions of kids cannot get jobs, cannot be involved in constructive activity. So all of those things are related. But at the end of the day, we are spending tens and tens of billions of dollars. We have more people in jail than any other country. And we're spending huge amounts of money on that. I would much prefer to invest in police training, good training, to invest in education, to invest in jobs for our young people. That is the best way to cut back.